section of EIGRP. In this section we are going through some advanced feature, for example keychain to secure our EIGRP connection to other routers, and also we are going to establish EIGRP over tunnels. So let's go. First I would like to check our configuration for routers. I saved my sessions here. This is our main router, building A and building B. So I would like to have my GNS tree here and the command line here. In main router, the configuration of our EIGRP is like this, and in building A it's like this, and in building B it's like this. Now I am going to enable keychain between three routers in different ways. In main router, I entered to my autonomous number, and here I would like to say on every interface this keychain should be enabled. So I enter AF interface default. It means in every interface that are part of our EIGRP authentication mode, we can use SHA or MD5 authentication mode. Here I would like to choose MD5. As we can see, our neighborship is down because here we have authentication mode, but in other routers the authentication is not enabled. So I would like to say that authentication is by a keychain, and I have to enter name for keychain, TechPath, and now I have to define the keychain. To define the keychain, we have to enter the keychain name and defining different keys in this keychain. For example, key number 1, key string is @TechPath1, and key number 2, key string is TechPath2. I would like to have 3. So at the end this is our configuration for our keychain, and also this is the configuration of EIGRP. Now I would like to configure building A. For building A, now I can say that the neighborship between building A and the main router is failed for authentication. In I would like to configure our authentication in each interface. For example, first 00 authentication mode MD5 and authentication keychain TICPA, and also fast 10 authentication mode MD5 and authentication keychain TICPA. And I would like to define our keychain as same as our main router. Now we have the neighborship between building A and our main router. So let's do that for also building B. I would like to set this for all interfaces. Authentication mode MD5 and authentication keychain TICPA. And also I would like just use one key to show you that one key is also enough. Yes, as you can see, the neighborship is also up between our main router and building B, and also between building B and also building A. So you can easily change your passwords, change your keys without any disruption in your EIGRP process. Now let's to have more branches. For example, we can define this one as our main branch, and we can have to another router as branch X and branch Y. So imagine we have an MPLS link between these branches and our main router. So I would like to add to my GNS tree a new network adapter and put this network adapter in LAN segment 1. And here I can put three globe which represented our MPLS link, connection from that LAN segment to routers. And power those router up. I would like also to use IP address 172.16.0/24 here. The IP address 1 for our main router, 2 for this branch, and 3 for branch Y. So in our main router, the fast 2.0, it. And for branch X, you have to telnet on port 5003. .192.168.19.130 on port 5003. We can check the connectivity between this branch and our main router by pinging. Yes. So now we have an MPLS connection from branch X and branch Y to our main branch. Let's configure also branch Y. Now I would like to configure tunnels between these three routers. Let's start from our main router. I would like to add IP address 10.100.1/30 for the interface tunnel, and tunnel source is MPLS link, and tunnel destination is, this is tunnel for branch X. Okay, so in branch X we should set IP address and tunnel source. And tunnel destination. And now we can ping the IP address of the tunnel for the main router and check that if our tunnel works. Yes. The same for branch Y. With adding do at the first of your command, you can use your show command. Also, when you're configuring things, interface when IP address is we can use 5. Tunnel source is same, what the main destination is 3. In branch Y, here we have IP address 6 and tunnel source is 3 and tunnel destination is 1. We can check also this tunnel with doing ping. So we go back to main router and see the configuration of EIGRP, and we can also enable EIGRP on those tunnel by test network and wildcard. Okay, and I would like to have the same configuration for also branch X and Y. Conf me. I think it's good to have this one here. I would like to say just this one, and of course we have to have keychain also here. neighborship between branch X and our main router is established. You can see here. And branch Y is also now connected to the main router via tunnel, and that tunnel we have EIGRP. In main router, if I want to look at my neighbors, it has 4 neighbors, 2 on 2 tunnels and 2 on 2 interfaces. And here you can see the hold time and also the uptime for this neighborship. I hope you all like this video and click on subscribe if you like that or like the video, and in the next video we will dive into more details of EIGRP.